Hello and welcome back. Here's your tech informant. So in my last live stream yesterday, there was this dispute about a screenshot that I shared of a new channel's earning. So some of you said that there should be US before the dollar sign. So that was the first time that I was hearing something about that. So I promise you guys that I'm going to make this video to show you the analytics of the channel, so that you understand that probably maybe because the earnings was in 4 figures, that's why the US was omitted. Now there's something I noticed, and I also talked about it in that live stream, that I noticed that new channels are getting monetized easily recently, and it tends towards the faceless channels content, or the faceless niche. You get the point. So there's this channel that I just got monetized yesterday. So when you check here, you see that the channel was accepted into the YouTube partner program just yesterday, 25th, or well, is it 25th? 25th is today. Yes, it was welcome into the YouTube partner program just this morning. So but I applied for the monetization and got the AdSense account linked as of yesterday. You can see that the associated AdSense account was linked yesterday around 20:00 hours. So now let's go to the analytics of this new channel, because I just want to show you some things. Like if I go to the lifetime of this channel, you will notice that this channel was created on the 24th of July, and it made its first upload on the 27th, that is some days later. And the first video this channel uploaded on their channel was just got only 2 views. So this is to let you know that you don't just suddenly go viral, or you don't suddenly start making success on your channel. You might post the first video, you might get no views. You can post the second one, no views. But expect that if you are doing a good content, before you post by the time you post your 10th, your 50th, your 100th, definitely you will see significant results. So this channel, the first video it uploaded, just got only 2 views, and you can see right here now it's getting thousands of views every day. Now you can see the watch time hour is already over 4,000. But currently this channel, it just got monetized with the 3,000 watch time hours. Like if you go down here, you can see that it's not yet eligible for the 4,000 watch time hours, and it needs like less than 500 watch time hours to hit the 4,000, which I believe that in the next 2-3 days it will get up to the 4,000 watch time hours. So the channel used the 3,000 watch time hours monetization threshold to get their channel monetized. So that's that. So this shows that new channels are getting monetized. Yes, to some of us, monetizing our channel might be very, very difficult, but I have seen some trends, and I have seen the trends going towards success in creating YouTube channels. So now let me take you to the channel that we were disputing in my yesterday's live stream. So from here you can see that the channel has gotten over 262 million views, and the channel was created around the 19th of December 2024. That is, this channel is not up to 1 year, and it has gotten over 262 million views. Now I know definitely you should have known that this is a YouTube short based channel. Most of their content aligns to the YouTube shorts, and you can see it has gotten over 500,000 watch time hours. Now you can see that so far it has earned over $8,000, and if you check right here, you can see that the channel got monetized around the 10th of April 2025. That is like about 3 or 4 months ago. That is when this channel got monetized. So our dispute in that live stream was if this dollar is really a US dollar or a Taiwanese dollar. So let's change it to Naira. At least most of us know, like I know most of you are based in Nigeria. So let's just try the Naira currency so we can see what it gives. So you can see here this channel has earned over 12 million naira in the past, let me say past 5 months. You can see in the past 5 months this channel has earned 12 million. Wait, let me say April, May, June, July, August, September. Okay, let's just say in the past 6 months this channel has earned 12 million naira, and you can see in the first day of monetization it earned over 100,000 naira. So to show you that this money, the earnings of this channel is purely US dollar. So probably it's a UI issue with the YouTube Studio M page. So let me take it to another earnings. Okay, let me use the UK British pound, BR. In the British pound. Okay, the GBP. Okay, this is a British pound. If you convert it to the British pound, you can see it is 6,000 pounds. So let me take it back to the US dollar. So it is US dollar. So now if you're about to get, or if you're about to reach the YouTube monetization threshold and your videos are getting a lot of views and you don't want to mess up your YouTube monetization application, so you can sign up to my AdSense support program, where I will help you to apply for the monetization, set up the AdSense account, link it to your YouTube channel, do the necessary documentation with your own details, and make sure that you get your first earning into your bank account. So if you need a service, you can scan the QR code and sign up to my AdSense support. So what do you think about these earnings? Are they killing it, or is it, to some persons, to some countries, some creators in other countries, this might not be a big deal to them? And however, know that these 262 million views, majority, almost like more than 3/4 of it, of this earning, these views are from YouTube Shorts. This channel is a short-based channel. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Are you doing faceless? How is your content faring? Are you getting this kind of result on your channel? So let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in the next one.